So guys, I made some fluffy pillow donuts and I'm going to share my recipe with you guys so you can give it a try when you have the time. You're going to love it, I promise. So guys, in my stand mixer, I added 6 cups of all-purpose flour. You can divide the recipe into 2. You can divide the recipe into 3. Depends on the quantity, the amount you want. So guys, I was able to achieve 20 fluffy donuts. So in my stand mixer, in my bowl, I added 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Added 8 tablespoons of sugar, and I also added 2 tablespoons of yeast. So it depends on how you love sugar. So for me, the 8 tablespoons is enough. So if you're using half, you go with 4 tablespoons. If you are doing the 6 cups I did, you can use 8 tablespoons. So I also added half teaspoon of salt into the dry ingredients. Then you can see me, I mixed everything. I made sure all the dry ingredients incorporate together very well. So inside that mixer, I added 2 cups of lukewarm water, not too hot, not cold. So lukewarm water, you add 2 cups of lukewarm water, and I also added 2 eggs. So I realized I didn't add my nutmeg. So when I realized my nutmeg, because I couldn't smell, that smell, so I couldn't smell that. So I added 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I mixed. So after mixing, I make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. So I added my butter. So in that butter, I used the 4 tablespoons. I used 4 tablespoons of butter. And make sure when you're adding the butter, when you're mixing the dough, make sure you increase the speed of your stand mixer, because for you to get that fluffy, that pillow, fluffy donuts, you need to increase the mixer for you to get that. So I increased the mixer to I think 5 or 6, and I needed for 5 to 6 minutes. So after that, I got my clean bowl. I greased with vegetable oil, and I added my dough because I wanted to double in size. I covered for 45 minutes to 1 hour. It depends on the area you put it, because you must place it in a warm area. So this is me after 1 hour. That was after 45 minutes. So this is my dough after 45 minutes. So after that, just give it a punch, to release excess air. Then after that, I cut the dough into my desired shape. It depends on how you want it. So I cut it into the desired shape, and I placed it in the baking sheet or parchment paper. In the parchment paper, make sure you had a little flour on the parchment paper so that when you want to take out the donut, it's easy for you to fry. So guys, after putting it in the parchment paper, I covered it again for 15 minutes. Then that was it. Then I started frying. Make sure when frying, you fry on medium heat. Make sure you fry medium so that when you start frying, it cooks properly. Okay. So guys, and that was it. I fried and it came out so well. Will you be giving this a try? Please leave that in the comment section, and I'll see you some other time. Bye.